Hello guys, this is me, Nostalgia Motors, and in this video we are looking at a 1935 Hoover Model 825 vacuum cleaner. And like the last video I done on that guy, this Kirby Heritage 2 Legend, it got like, I believe, just about 8,000 views, which is crazy. And it is my most viewed video on my channel, which is crazy. And I appreciate the views and the likes and stuff and the comments. I appreciate it. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable, it is. It really is. I want to be completely honest. Unbelievable. But in this video, we're not talking about that exactly. For right now, we are looking at this almost an antique Hoover cleaner. This thing's is 90 years old, and it still works. My dad got this for me for like $30 at a local antique mall. I found it. I convinced him to go back and get it. At the time, I wasn't working at all. And he just got it for me because he thought it was kind of cool looking. So, yeah. Actually, hold on just for 1 second. I'm going to flip it over. Here's the belly. There's the belly of the beast, or of the Hoover 825. Today I just received in the mail my new belts. So someone on a Facebook group recommended me getting this. It's like a Sanitaire / Eureka up style belt. It's kind of a lot of older vacuums like this use them. So yeah, this thing works even great now. I guess, no, actually, I'll show you what the old belt looked like. I still have the old belt right here, actually. This is what the old belt looked like. Yeah, that's actually really disgusting. It's decayed. It's all dry rotted. It's completely dry rotted out. I have light bulbs for it, but they ended up being the wrong size somehow. The prongs or something is not, I don't know, they're not going in. They're just not going in it. Like inside, like they'll go inside of it, but it won't stay. It'll work its way out. And yeah, that's just not a good idea. Especially when you're vacuuming. You literally, they're LED bulbs too. I just thought about upgrading the vacuum to make it more modern, but maybe I should just leave it in the past. This one anyway, I mean. Sorry. There was another thing too. Actually, I'll just flip my camera around. You can see what it says. It says the Hoover makes rugs last longer. It makes rugs last way longer, supposedly, at least, which I believe, honestly. It's an old Hoover. Hoovers, I don't know, they're just, you know, with the as it beats, as it sweeps, as it cleans technique. See, what you literally can see right here. But it literally says the Hoover regulated U.S. patent off cleaner. As it beats, as it sweeps, as it cleans, and then Hoover. I mean, For being a pre-war vacuum cleaner, it's in pretty good shape. For being 90 years old. This thing's 90 years old. Keep in mind that. For its age, it's in good shape. Even if it's being held together by some clamps and stuff, it's still here. It's still pretty solid. It has cracks in the metal, and that's why it's being held together by these things. And yeah, that's probably, honestly, it's probably the only reason why it's still here to this day, because of these clamps and stuff. There's another one way up there too. Actually, I'll just show you. It's right here. It's holding the handle on, and it's kind of actually making the handle start to dry rot really badly. It's not really bad, but it's getting to a point where it might have to come off. Might try to make one. I don't know. Might just have to make one, honestly. Try to find some rubber. But I want to try to keep the rubber in the best condition as possible. Sorry about that, but I want to try to keep the rubber on the handle up here as in best shape as possible. So I guess I can show you the bag. Honestly, this bag, it's kind of giving me some 1920s, early 1930s Art Deco kind of look, There's a ribbon. I don't know what that ribbon means. It just says a dust test product. So I'm guessing they tested it. And again, this bag, I believe, is the original bag. I don't know. I've seen other examples of this one in way better shape than this one, but see, honestly, I like when people leave stuff original and it hasn't been restored, but it still works. Kind of want to think this thing might have been restored internally, because it runs really well like it's been at some point in its lifetime, and in the cleaner's lifetime, and it's past. I mean, this bag is in really good shape, except there's some tears, like right there. It's been sewn in. Right there's torn and sewn back together. Right there too. Right here, if you can see, you can probably see some of the woven. There's one right there too. Yeah, that's probably, I think that's about it, honestly. But yeah, let's get on to the cleaning, shall we? But first, let's do something. We should empty the bag and really give it the real test here. Give it a real test for its power. Okay, I emptied the bag. This is actually really bad though. I haven't emptied it in a long time. It's been a while. Sorry about that. One of my clocks. Anyway, let's see if the old. Let's see if the old girl has what it takes, shall we? Let's see. Damn. Dang, look at that. That's there's not a line of shame. There's not. It done pretty good, didn't it? It's not even a line of shame. Unless, actually, let me check the camera and see if there is. Maybe, oh, there might be. I think I see a little bit. It's almost kind of, yeah, I see a little bit. But that's not too big of a deal, really. But, shall we continue? Pardon for the, sorry for the background noise. Dang it, I'm saying other things I'm not meaning to say. Sorry for the background noise, honestly. It's kind of, right now it's kind of windy outside. So, look at that. That's a good example right there. Yeah. So, can't really do anything about the background noises like that. These things. Oh, that one don't work. I just stopped it from going. So, let's just continue, shall we? Sorry about the freak out. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and more clock collection updates and closer looks at specific clocks at request. And maybe I might even do a series on just winding a specific one, of course by request. Even in the future, I may do my transistor radio collection too. So, like I said, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thank you for watching.